Medical innovations, new models of care, daring public health policies, long-term financing. These are the broad outlines of the report released by the Campaign for Access to Essential Medicines, published 1 month before the next UN General Assembly on AIDS. The report describes the progress made and presents the concerns expressed by the healthcare teams. It also spotlights a little bit of good news. Not only do drugs save lives, they also prevent transmission of the disease.
We know that HIV treatment can help to save lives of people living with HIV. We also know that it prevents illnesses of people living with HIV. The new evidence, however, coming out in the last year or so is that HIV treatment can also help to reduce new infections by up to 92%.
In 10 years, the drugs have saved the lives of 6 million people. The progress made in the fight against AIDS has been immense. But much is still to be done. 10 million people still have no drugs. Access to care for those already receiving treatment also has to be made simpler.
Now what we know is that simply by bringing treatment closer to clinics where people live, and that treatment can be simplified to be delivered by the local nurse as opposed to the doctor working in hospital, then not only can you reach more people, but you're actually improving care.
In Tete province in Mozambique, patients organize themselves into groups of 6 for mutual help and support and to avoid unnecessary travel. Each of them in turn will go and collect the drugs from the health center.
Tomorrow, she's the member collecting the drugs for the group. Let's give her an applause as she's the one who's going.
10 years ago, the first UN General Assembly on AIDS marked a turning point in the fight against the disease. It represented a strong undertaking on the part of the international community to reverse the trend of the epidemic. However, since 2009, it has run out of steam and funding is falling. According to Médecins Sans Frontières, HIV programs need $10 billion if they are to be able to continue. The meeting in June in New York should be the opportunity for a fresh commitment so that the achievements of the past decade are not wasted.